Okay, the final and really important thing you guys need to know is about how to save your work. Now, if you go to Logic and Save As, you should open up a window like this. If it opens up as a little window, you need to just click on the little arrow here and save it. So open up the big window to save it. Scrolling down here, you want to save it on the network, not to the hard drive of the Mac. It will default to the Mac, but if you're not on that one next time, you won't be able to open your work. So you go to IVC FS1, so IVC File Server 1, and you click on that. And as you scroll down, yours will look slightly different, but somewhere here, you should have a folder that says 2015, because that's the year that you started at IVC. If I click in here, I should find it. So you have a 2015, you click into that, and then it will come up with App Data and Homes. Again, you go into Homes. Now, because I'm a teacher, I can see all of your home drives, but you will literally then see yours, and you want to save it in there. So name it something sensible, so probably put in your name. Yep. And make sure you're saving it as a package, and just click Save, and that will save it into your home drive. So next time you can access it. Let's just close this down. So next time, pretend I've closed it down. Next time when you come to open a new file, you'll go to Open, and you'll do exactly the same in reverse. You'll go to IVC FS1, you'll go to your 2015 folder, you'll find your home drive, and then you'll find it and click it Open. Okay? Now, the couple of final things you must do that are really, really, really important. All of this junk on the desktop that you might have saved earlier on, and obviously yours will look a little bit different to mine, you need to get rid of it, because if you don't, it'll clutter up the computer and it will slow it down and it won't work properly. So, literally grab anything that's on your desktop and drag it into the trash. Yep, get rid of it, trash it. And then once it's trashed, you also then need to empty the trash. Otherwise it still stays in your cache. So, if you by double clicking on the trash, it then comes up with the trash thing. All you got to do is click empty there. Now I'm not going to do that because I actually need those videos, but you need to click it empty so that all of the work is then gone and removed from the computer. Okay. Obviously, we've got 200 or 300 of you doing that regularly. That's going to cluster these up in no time at all. So that's really, really important. If you forget to do it one lesson, don't worry. You can still do it the next as long as it's done. And by the time the project's finished, it's all gone. It would be great. Next time, when you come to find your work, so say you've logged on from scratch in lesson 2 or lesson 3, to find your work, there are a couple of ways you can do it. Down here, this is actually your network home. So by going into the home here, this then brings up your home drives. So if you've saved it to your home drive previously, this should be, you should just literally have to find it in here, double click, and it will open it up. You can also do that through Finder and do it exactly the same way as before. So go to IVC FS1, find your folders, find your homes, and then that will be in exactly the same place. Occasionally, because it's running off the network, you can find that it's a bit jerky. So if when you're running it and you've opened it from the network, it's a bit jerky, save it to the desktop, run it from the desktop, and then at the end of the lesson, save it back into your home drive and clear the desktop, just like I've just shown you. If you are running from the home drive in lesson 3 or 2 or whatever, it actually is fine at that point just to go File and Save, and it will save it straight back to your home drive. So it will save to where you've opened it from. If you've opened the desktop, it will save it to the desktop, in which case you must back it up to your home drive. If you've opened it from the home drive, it's running from there, clicking Save will save it back in there, and that is all you need to do. Any problems, please ask myself and Miss Lewis, because otherwise losing your work is a massive headache at the end of each lesson.